Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the special Maltese food recipe in Heartopia, the Retriever Canelé in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can unlock new exclusive food recipes. One of them is Retriever Canelé like this, and to get this recipe is very easy. First, just tap on the club icon, this one, and then next just tap Puppy Gacha Machine, this one, and then just tap on Exchange Store. Enter the Exchange Store and then scroll down until you find the recipe Retriever Canelé like this, and after that just buy it with the Maltese tokens. You need 10 Maltese tokens to get this recipe, and if you don't know how to get the Maltese tokens, you can just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. I have already made the tutorial for that. And after that, after you have the Maltese tokens, you just go tap purchase like this, and then after that you automatically get these new recipes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.